Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Ioniq 5 with its physical key. This guide is essential for times when your smart key fob battery is low or completely dead. Knowing these steps ensures you can always access your vehicle, even without the convenience of remote unlocking. We will cover retrieving the key, using it to unlock the door, and then starting your car. It's a simple process that provides peace of mind. To begin, you need to access the physical key. Hold your smart key fob and look for a small, often silver, button on one of its sides. Press this button down firmly. While holding the button, gently pull the top part of the key fob and the metal key will slide out. This process should take only a few seconds, revealing the traditional key you will use for manual entry. Now that you have the physical key, proceed to the driver's side door. Look closely at the door handle. You will find a small, discreet keyhole. Insert the metal key completely into this keyhole. Once inserted, turn the key clockwise approximately 90 degrees. You should hear a click, indicating the door has successfully unlocked. This method provides reliable access when electronic systems are unavailable. With the door unlocked, you can now open it and enter your Ioniq 5. If your key fob battery is dead, you will need to place the entire fob directly against the start button on the dashboard. This allows the car to read the key's chip. Then, press the brake pedal firmly and push the start button. Your vehicle should power on, allowing you to drive away safely, even with a low fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.